17 and you're 15 and now you're pregnant and you allow your mother to imprison that little boy.
It's the second animal aims back with the life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one Ipa Pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all. Mwah.
My video yesterday. Let me say this about these bloggers. Put up my video when me talk about the grape situation. So anyways, he said something distasteful on his live and blah blah and really come suck me the whole of will leave comment. But how could he say that from the other day my chat some things? Come lick out my body hole, please and thanks. Now ladies and gentlemen, yes, when you have a lot of dunce people with tools, it can cause world war. The nature of my statement yesterday, all I want to pick out of it is that you a person who have never been through it don't know. Go suck your mama, go suck out your mother. Then you think say me come from buy you so? Go lick out your mama crutches, my baby. Go lick out your mama crutches. You know, it's so surprising that I was speaking to somebody this morning and them said, I'm here telling the whole situation and them said, so them get grape when them young and them walk and talk it and tell everybody. And them say, so make it talk about it so light, and the person said them to them, so what? After that, I'm overcome. The nature of my speech was this. You see, when you live constantly playing victim, you are damaging yourself more than you're helping yourself. That's the nature in which I spoke. But because the whole other expect me to say, oh my God, he pushes holding you and this and that and this and that and you're traumatized, go suck your mother. Go and suck your mother if you don't understand what I say. I'm not going to suck with you as a friend. My aim is not to sit down and say, oh, if I cry with you one day, don't expect me to tear with you one next day. You're mad? I'm want the friendship. Come here and heal you. So more you want to talk about it, is the more I don't care about it. Baby girl, it don't happen already, you know. Your body, you're insensitive. It's not a sensitive situation. You want it to be sensitive. Let us talk about you as a female, knowing that you're underage and pressure one little boy for pushing food in you that is 17 and you're 15 and now you're pregnant and you allow your mother to imprison that little boy without you saying anything about it. Your mother walk and tell the police them say he grape you. Now times like these when the two and the mama they work, a husband a suck wood, like when me used to do at school, you and him you make sure say you present your body over there as a cocky sacrifice. You understand me? But yet you live with it and you go through it. So how you expect an individual that is a male that has been accused of such a thing, how you expect him now to feel in a life in himself? Him have to go get over it once him free now and move on and try to make it get him down. You never know that. Who give him therapy? Who this? Alright. I don't want to jump ahead of myself. It's a sensitive topic and if you don't you can't speak about it as though you truly feel about it standing on the outside. Alright. The topic is sensitive and traumatizing and everything. But most of the persons who got it and they are traumatized by it, under their counseling. How under their counseling? That no one know. It is sensitive, traumatizing and under their counseling. But when someone make light of it, it traumatizes you know. Why under their counseling? More somebody answer me, Nikki. Why under their counseling? You see, sometimes people live and find comfort in a thing where them call guilt. You go counseling, right? What is a counselor's duty? Since it's sensitive, what is a counselor's duty to help you to overcome? How shall I help you overcome? And by guiding you, shall I ask you how you feel about your trauma? Come to you when you're 6 and now you're 16. Go suck your mama. Because it only take you when you're broke. And you wonder how you want salsa in a life because from your young this happened to you. We know life. We know life. That's why everybody upset over the same currency. When me not have it in my cross, and everybody have the same message. Oh, I don't know we never born rich. So for the vlogger we put up, I said something distasteful. And you said something uneducated. You post something very uneducated. Very uneducated. That make you wonder. It make you wonder when them people at headspace there. Now it make you wonder when some people headspace there. You are my friend, my duty is not to sit with you and sob. Me don't want to get old like you quickly. Me don't want to have so much trauma. Me don't want to have so much trauma like you quickly. Yeah, my friend. Me don't want to have so much trauma like you. My duty is to help you overcome it, help you deal with the situation. Get past the situation. Look at it. For the people them out there with art, somebody kill your family. And them got prison for it. And when time them come, you still eat them. Why? You not murder them, you not do nothing to them, but you eat them. Why? You have any reason to? Make that make sense. Somebody said decision. To eat them down constantly. That's my point. The level of psychology that a done somebody can exude both upon themselves and to a community, it's astounding. You have to understand, people don't like when you come to them hard. Them like when you tell them the truth softly, and them like when you beat around the bush with them. Then how that I help? If you understand, alright, so you have 2 persons. Lionel Wagwan, so you have 2 persons, right? And they have the same question. Somebody say, somebody come and somebody say, you know, one day you're going to find a good husband. Yes, just keep searching. You're going to find a very good husband and you're going to live good. Alright, me come. How about you? Me love if you not forget no man, you just nah go get no man. The no man you still yourself afraid about before you get up and live some life. If you don't live happy or you think happiness will come, you're lucky than me, you're gonna suck your mama. The man say me insensitive. The man say me insensitive. Honestly. They must say me heartless, me have no feelings. You see how yourself freak over man? Man! You're not even afraid if you have no underlying sickness. You're not even afraid if you're going to live for the next year. even worried about if the breath that you have in your body are gonna last you. And you afraid about man? You afraid about oh everything I put my hand to nothing. You're living. You can't find the importance of your waking up. You only can find the importance of your disappointment. Tire school, whether you like it yes or no, we are just far off now. Me never beat you on the bush and people like to say me this and me that because me I come up to where me really want to say today. You know. Let me just say this to you. You comb your ear, you pat it down and you look groom. You're good to go. You're good to go. You're good to go. You understand me? You might never get a chance to be your blue eye unless you buy a contact lens. That's still not saying that's the beauty in you. Everybody else about them for go to school and them for this and them for that. Do not blame one individual for wanting to grow his hair and groom it properly. Do not blame one individual for the educational system. Blame yourself. You know why? All I own a chopper, scammer, or batman thief and beggar. But we want to normalize education. Remember, Corona school lockdown education was nothing. It's all a protocol. It's all a protocol that them now uphold it. Not even the ones who set it. Because if you go groom the nigger, groom the Chinese, you don't want no length and strength in your institute. Groom the Chinese, groom the uptown brother with the brown skin and the nice curly ear and it nuff up and breeze all that blow it in him eye and interrupt his eyelid. I understand about the bleaching and the ear is not overbearing. The ear fit him because he's not all that cute, you know. The ear fit him. He might work according to his face. I saw him stare. I saw him stare. It's true. People who wanna think of status get treated differently than the no-name man. I rather me and a no-name man catch up than me and somebody with name catch up. Honestly, me rather me and a no-name man catch up. Me, in my position, rather me and a no-name man catch up. More give me a highlight. I respect him. Because I go outside, I'm a spit in front of him. Him can say, my youth, how you do? Oh, you're nasty, so. I'm say, sorry, sir, I am so sorry. Yeah. I want him feel like, say, him have a stand in this world, too. Come off of my life. Come off of my life because all Destiny class, me never hear Destiny call my name. Come off of my life and go suck Destiny hood. Go and suck Destiny donkey cocky. And when me I do the, you know, the paperwork and so I went somewhere and I was talking to a lady because the person who I bring me them did that talk to some manager or something. So you know me there, one lady I wipe the floor and me I talk to her. I just make much. She said, oh that Shebada. I say, yeah good day. And she said, well go on and me and I did talk and I talk and I talk. And when the person who was supposed to come to Nigeria came and saw me talking to the lady where I wipe the floor, pulled me away and said, how could you do that? You don't do those stuff. You don't deal with people of those sort. You understand me? You're up here now. I'm a stop boy me until I say, I don't know if me ever gonna get you in a life, you know. I don't know if me ever gonna get you in a life. Sometimes I not think before me talk. But one little opportunity for going and full and blow it. Blew the opportunity, the one little opportunity for one name. That's why I have to thank God for all one little opportunity for me and go see and for my blow it to my blood finger. I have to go mountain. I know my baby. Maybe say to the man, let me tell you this. And them people that make you know me, I come at the bus, them people that use them hard earning phone card, with a call Western Union and beg them family, send them something, them use it and vote for me, and them make you know me. So if I can't speak to them, I can't speak to you. And from this, the man never say about me, my love. Me not tell no lie people. Things that frighten me, nothing that frighten me. That's why me I tell people this. You understand me? If the youth are grooming ear, all they can do is groom him ear. There are other ways in reaching people, you know. Sometimes when I bend people to fool the demographic, and that's why people protest. And we now, me not leak out and say the school now have a right, you know. But from my vision, me not see nothing wrong with the youth. We want him to monk it out. Me not see nothing wrong with the youth. Because if Mr. China, Mr. Wang and Mr. Ung son did come, only that pardon them, smile with them and let them through. Nobody fight you down than black people. And your own skin color not tear you down. Your own skin tone.